Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is August 23. We're here at McDonald's with my sister. Morning pa lang, so maaga kami sa studio. Actually, medyo late na kami. Pero yun. We're picking up breakfast for everyone. Bea, Joyce, me, her. Yeah. Sintakal, 3 minutes now. 3 minutes. Already here at Joyce's studio. Joyce! Tignan niyo yung outfit ni Joyce. Sobrang bagay sa kanya ang blue. Super bagay, as in.
Pares kami ni Litzy na kami.
Ayaw nga, no?
Darker blue.
Yung dress sa Davao, nalala mo? Favorite dress namin lahat yan. Anyway, we're having breakfast. This one is big breakfast with muffin. And then we have strawberry preserves. Ano yan, Litzy? Sausage McMuffin. Yummers. And we have orange juice. Yummy. Yan. Bea's here!
Yo,
and I love her dress. From Forever 21. Nakita niyo yung print? Nakita ba niya? Ang tawag dyan?
Parang Aztec print.
Ang ganda, seryoso, Bea. I love it. Ikot ka nga. Ikot sa likod. Ayan, tapos meron siyang pantali sa likod. Ang ganda.
Very fun.
Tapos sabi ko kay Joyce, sobrang bagay sa kanya ang blue. Color. Love it. Oh, I'm feeling so much better. Yay! Although may migraine lang ako konti. Tsaka I still have my colds and konting sore throat. So, nagdala ko ng Pepakwa. Kung alam niyo yung Pepakwa.
Alam ko yun.
Yan ang secret lagi. Yan. For sore throat, cough, whatever. It's magic. I love it. And super favorite ko yung antibiotic na erythromycin na lalaki.
Oo. Hello, at ito.
Alam yung makeup. Anong hindi tapos dyan?
Brows ko, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Nilalagyan ng
Hindi yung pa nagawa? Eh, bakit parang ayos na?
brow gel.
Ah, okay.
Para malaiton yung color. Kasi dark siya. Tamo daw yung
Yummy. It's so good. Joyce is putting hair extensions. And yan yung binibigay sa akin. And super weird kasi sobrang nagbe-blend sa hair niya. I love it.
It's meant to be.
As in, ang ganda. Asan na? Yun na yun?
It's like your hair.
Yung mahaba.
Ang ganda. Bakit siya mahabang hair, Joyce?
Oh my.
Actually, bakit siya kita I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, ang lambot pa ng buhok. Sino kalay mo yung buhok? Love
Hindi,
it.
malambot talaga siya.
Yan ba yung Bellamy or... Bellamy. Yung walang amoy. Ayan. Ay, nataas yung buhok ko. Wala akong pakialam sa look ko ngayon. We're watching It's Judy's Life on Bea's laptop.
Judy, I love you.
Ano na sa Hawaii. Hawaii.
Typical time that I
Love it.
Hello.
At nag-aay si Bea. At Bea's Lorac Pro collection. Sobrang masaya ng Lorac. As in. Actually, nagustuhan ko ito. This one. Pro to go. Na siyang eyeshadow.
Malaki yung mirror, kaso na nabasag ko. My fault. Tapos, 6 na yan. 2 pwede mo gamitin highlight pa.
Tapos
other side, meron kang 2 blush, tapos 1 bronze.
Diba?
Tapos, kung gusto mong buksan, ganun lang siya.
ganda. Love. And then,
This is the first Lorac, original Lorac. As you see, sobrang laspag na siya. Laspag kasi palagi ginagamit. Ayan, ito yung laman.
ganda.
Ganda niya sobra. Sobrang pigmented.
And then,
The Lorac Pro 2. Ito yung pinakabago.
ayun, 2. Ano lagi mo ginagamit?
Ito, beige. At itong rose. With the
Ang
purple
ganda ng
plum.
navy, oh. Blue na blue.
Oo, kasi-
Grabe. Oh my gosh.
Super pigmented.
Ganda, be. So, we were ordering lunch. Actually, si Bea nag-order ng lunch. Okay na lahat eh. Bayad na niya lahat.
Bayad na.
Biglang tatawagan niya kasi pupunta sa bahay niya, hindi dito. Fail. Clerks. So, workshop will start at 2:30. So, we have about 1 hour. Workshop's finally over. Hindi na ako naka-vlog kasi sobrang... Kasi naman no, Shakies, ano ba kayo? Galit? Ilang hours nun? Ano ba yun, babe?
Way more na.
Ilang hours?
2.
Grabe eh. Our plan was to eat before the workshop begins. Kasi nga, gutom kami, di ba? So, nangyari, nagturo kami ng walang laman ng tiyan namin. So,
Hindi totoo eh.
si Joyce, alam ko na Joyce, alam ko na yung face mo, alam ko na. Clerks. Anyway.
Hindi totoo pag sinabi nilang free pag late sila dahil marami silang dahilan.
Oh, yan ah, Shakies ah. Clerks kayo. Anyway, dumating nga Shakies in the middle of the workshop. Biruin mo yon, dumating sila in the middle. So, syempre, di ba, kumakalan na yung tiyan namin? Hindi na ako magreklamo, kakain na ako. Tadan! Carbonara. Totoo, nag-growl yung stomach. Ganun talaga. We just finished eating, so we're just gonna pack up kasi sobrang nagulo namin yung studio ni Joyce. The makeup sale is finally over. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you so much to everyone who came and shopped. Super appreciate ko talaga. And I'm gonna think about selling these online. I'm not really sure. Not sure pa, pero I just might. Okay? So, tignan natin. Friend nandito ko, si Mitchie, na madami siyang binili. Look at that. Oh, di ba? Colors. And nakuha niya yung yung super low price kasi nga last day ngayon. Haha. Yan, so mapunta kayo, sobrang swerte. Ikaw, babe, baka may gusto ka pa dyan. Pick ka lang.
pera!
I'm now in the car with Mark. B! Hi! He surprised me with this gift. Ang cute, sobrang cardigan siya na stripes. Later ko mapakita. Ang ganda niya, sobrang I love it. Thanks, B! Yeah, we're on the way to Indang, Mark's hometown. Si Shai kasi sabi niya, alam niya lagi Mark's hometown. Kasi lagi siya nag-vlogs. Sobrang ganda ng langit. Ewan ko lang kung makikita sa vlog. Ma-orange. I didn't bring any of my makeup. Iniwan ko lahat. Sabi ko, papableed ko yung mukha ko. Ilang araw na ako naka-makeup eh. So, yun na, makeup. Sa Clark. Wah! May racing daw.
Kailan?
Ewan ko, sabihin daw niya tayo.
What? Pampaga?
Oo, yun, mga Clark something. We think there's an event that's gonna happen later tonight sa may seaside. Ano to? Bay, ano to? Manila Bay? Kasi may nag-grill, yun. Ayun o, wala ng truck ban sa Manila, kaya madaming trucks. Trucks! McDonald's again. Price lang naman. Okay lang yan. To reward ourselves. Mark merong burger.
May karera kanina.
It's almost 9 p.m. We're still not home. Pero I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog now. See you tomorrow. Bye! Bye, B!
Bye.